Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at noise trauma.
Loud noise is particularly harmful to the inner ear. Audiologist Dr. Charlene Modest says anything that exceeds 75 decibels is considered extremely loud.
There are structures in the inner ear that kind of mechanically bend in response to that sound pressure that is being applied that is too much, and sometimes they recover and sometimes they don't, and then eventually, and actually even in one instance, you can have immediate obliteration of that sound if something happened on that side that was like a loud blast. So it's one of those things where you just don't know the level of trauma that can happen.
Noise trauma is quite common in Jamaica.
It's become increasingly more common because of headphones and personalized listening devices. So it's a worsening thing, and I think generational. But then, there's also noise trauma in adults because they work in environments where they're exposed to loud sounds like mechanics, for instance, or where there's impact, a lot of high impact sounds that their ears are also exposed to noise trauma.
The effect of noise trauma over time affects how well you might hear later in life, which is why prevention is important.
Your diet actually does play a part in the toughening of the ear. So eating healthily and well does have an impact, but it's not necessarily going to prevent significant trauma from affecting your ears. And again, once noise trauma has happened, there's no way to really reverse it. You can only try to function better in light of the hearing loss through hearing devices such as hearing aids.
Meanwhile, protecting your ears from loud noises and limiting excessively loud experiences can help you maintain your hearing. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.